Hi guys, just making a video after a very long time, and I hope this is worth your while. So today I'm going to discuss nothing but a simple backtesting Excel, which will be there in the comment section. Along with that, there's a blank trade journal as well. So one can actually maintain a trade journal and see how they have been performing over a period of time. It is a very simple thing. One should test their strategy whatever they've been using to see whether it has been profitable in the history in over a long period of time or no, what has been the kind of drawdown, how it has played on your emotions, etc. And so basically you can open a trading view and say this is here I've kept a simple crossover of 1020. Okay, not necessarily this will work, but yeah, you know still just kept one just for the information and basic. So say here your buy has been generated, or you say okay, about this pin bar I will go long. So all you need to do is just click on this, create a long position out here. Okay, and say you will exit over below this doji. So you will keep on riding till this doji is till the hourly candle is broken on the downside. Okay, so typically you'll exit out here, and here I will just uh, take this thing. You will be going above the high of this, and this will be, say, oops, 1 second. Okay, so here you know that your risk reward was typically 3 is to 1 types, approx 3.5 is to 1, and here you know that you have closed this trade at 110 points profit. So all you need to do, guys, now is just open the Excel. Okay, you just have to put buy. Only the yellow basically rows you need to fill in. So you write B out here for buy. Here you made typically 110, so you write 110.2. That's it. Your slippage will be automatically calculated. Your lot size is already mentioned. You can go into multiples if you're doing more. So I'm just showing you per se, one lot per se. Okay, what is the profit approximately you've been made? Okay, this does not include any commissions that you'll have to account for, and probably also what your running balance approximately would be. So this is the basic thing, and now we go to the summary. Okay, I'll just show you one or two more trades, then we can go to the summary part. Here we say we look for a short position below this pin bar. Okay, so what I will typically do is I will take this here. This is okay. Oops. This is so say here you would exit above this hourly candle high, and okay, so say this was a stop loss. You would have ridden the short wave, and maybe next day you would have got over about this hourly candle, or you'll keep on going further down. So here typically you would have made around 179 points. So all you need to do is again out here, go out here, mention 179.7, and all you have is what is your profit approximately per lot you've made. Okay, and that's it. So you keep on filling like this for maybe 100 200 trades. Typically 230 trades plus will give you for a year, and into that much will give you for a multiple years. And here you will get a full snapshot of how your capital is moving. You don't need to do anything, everything is all Excel fed. Sorry. Here you get your profit factor in terms of you know you have winners versus losers. So anything over 2 to 3 is very good. It's brilliant. Your RR will be captured out here, your average winning trades, your average losing trades. you know and so whether your back testing is what you're planning and what you're executing and putting your hard earned money, whether it is profitable or no in the longer run. So that's it, guys. It's very simple. Everything is available out here. You just need to plot. You just need to see where you would have exited. Be honest about it so you get the real this thing. Say if your stop loss was triggered, you will know automatically out here that you've made a minus 60. All you need to go and do is minus 60 out here. So just giving an example, and that is how it is. So you can keep on going as much as behind. They have decent amount of data, and you can figure out how well or not well, so well you perform, and you know where you'll stand over a period of time. So that's it, guys, from me, and hope this helps. And you'll find the files in the comment section, and just click on the link, and you'll be getting it. Yeah, thank you so much. Have a nice day.